1954 Ford 100 pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking step side. 292 Y-block V8 underneath the hood. That has been rebuilt and bored 30 over. 4-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Paint coat on this truck originally meadow green. So still looking very similar to the way it would have been produced back in 1954, but it has underwent a restoration. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this truck. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheel on a later model Ford Motor Company wheel cover. Radial tires. Still has the I-beam front suspension. You'll see that in the still pictures. This was originally a North Dakota truck. Started out extremely solid according to the previous owner before the restoration was done, and you can see how nicely the door fits. You can see those gaps, how nice and even they are. You don't see that a lot in these older trucks when they're restored. This one fits well. You can also see the paint shows well on it too. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And check this out. Interior also re-vinyled as far as the seats go. Rubber flooring, seat belts installed, and they also put like a sound deadening inside the cab when they're redoing the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. Just want to give you a peek. Take a look at the wood bed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look at the rear bumper. Tailgate. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself. Due to time or distance, not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. They're going to find some recent service work that was done on this, including new U-joints, brake shoes, wheel cylinders, brake drums, master cylinder, brake hoses, new hoses and belts underneath the hood, new wiring harness with a single wire alternator. This one's ready to go. Turn the key, go have some fun. Let's take a peek down this driver's side. I've been trying to remind people, if you like looking at the old vehicles, you never know what we'll get through here at Unique. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You won't miss any of the videos that way. And there's usually some pretty cool cars coming through here, and a lot of them. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior a little closer. Of course, door panels. There's a rubber flooring and the vinyl seat done in a nice gray and red two-tone. You can see that 4-speed manual transmission shifter. Of course, push button start right over here. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See oil pressure pop up right away. It was a cold start, so I don't expect temp to be up. It does have a choke down here also, and you can see the fuel gauge creeping up, so it looks like sending unit and everything working. Battery gauge. Make sure we're in neutral. The rest of that dash looks good, and the headliner. Let you take a listen to it. Nothing crazy over the top, kind of what you expect. 292 Y-block to sound like. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick. I want to get the hood open so we can check out that engine bay. And remember to stick around to the very end of the video We're going to take this truck for a drive, put a camera in it, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Here we go with the hood popped. Previous owner said they did do a transmission flush on it, pressure check the radiator, all good there. See, it's got a nice collar around it. I'll pull that air through it, keep it cool. There's a good look at the engine bay. Again, nice, clean, and tidy. Engine rebuilt. Ford 30 over, 292 Y block. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. 1954 F100 step side. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1954 Ford F100. Very nice looking truck. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry today, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This truck is a 4-speed on the floor. Shifts nicely. Got a little bit of slack in the steering, as you might expect for a 50s Ford truck, but it isn't bad. The temperature gauge has not come off of cold. That one, I can't tell if it is going to come off or not. Oil pressure is about 80. Battery is charging at 3/4 of the way up the gauge, and the fuel gauge is also working, showing half of a tank, a little over half of a tank. Our windshield wipers work on this truck. Blower motor works. Got the heat running a little bit today, as it is cold outside. One of the best styles of Ford truck I think I can remember. This body style. If you're looking for a curvy Ford truck, this would be my favorite. Very well done. We have a vinyl bench seat in this truck. Handles good on the road. Feel the road just enough to know that it's there and it's handling well. This truck started in instant and idled nicely right away. We're going down to 3rd gear here for the roundabout. 1st gear in this truck is nice and low. Say you could almost start in 2nd gear. Acceleration is good. Seems like a very well restored truck. As we're going down the road here, if I let go of the wheel, this truck stays right where you put it. It doesn't have any pull to either side. Again, a good road feel and excellent visibility. You sit up nice and high. These old trucks and windows wrap all the way around. Nice wooden bed, bottom in the back. You don't see that anymore. Check out this beautiful truck. All the pictures under the hood, under the truck, everywhere in between at UniqueClassicCars.com.